Major bleeding from a junctional wound in the armpit, neck, or groin is a life and death situation. A tourniquet would not work in this case, and we need to wound pack it. In this case, we have a simulated junctional wound in the groin, and in reality, it would be slightly higher. I would take the gauze and pack it as tight as I possibly can, aiming towards the heart because that's where the bleeding artery would be coming from. Make sure you create as much pressure as you can in that cavity, and then hold direct pressure for 2 to 3 minutes while you're wrapping your wound packing with a pressure dressing. In this case, because the wound is slightly lower, I can wrap it with the pressure dressing. However, if it was slightly higher on the groin, I would use the same pressure dressing and wrap the waist like a belt, as long as the gauze is underneath it. This is how we treat a junctional wound.